I'm filming.
I'm filming, you filming.
I'm filming, you filming, filming me.
I started.
Food? Food? Food?
Brunch.
Yes, big farm puppy. Welcome back. It's a heat wave today. It's a balmy 20 degrees.
Probably.
20 degrees.
Like 35, I think.
35-degree high. We're here for it. Sun is shining. Kind of windy. Except not right here. We're out of the wind right here, which is nice. We're getting a late start feeding this morning. Gotta go to church this morning. So yeah, figured we'd take you along for chores. These are our pregnant heifers, a couple of random dry cows, a couple steers that aren't big enough for the finisher, and a couple heifers that aren't big enough to be bred.
They're oddball pin.
A hodgepodge of cows, but they get along, so. Load up!
I'm ready. You ready, Mom?
Well, my seat's not ready.
Your seat's getting clean.
Action!
Fun story. I almost fell off the roof this
Why were you up there?
See how much meat's in the bin yet?
Oh,
This one's almost empty. This one's almost empty. And I haven't built the ladder yet, so I went up there when the frost was on it.
slippery.
Built it.
You're doing great. Out of that.
I think the chunks out of it.
It always, like, goes the wrong way. If there's a little bit of wind, it just ends up everywhere.
30 days. I could fix this. That just doesn't fall off.
That'd be expensive.
Huh?
Bailey. Oh, you're not a cow. This pen that we just fed is our lead calves. We had a random group of bottom calves a couple months ago. Prices came down a little bit. They were a good price, so we had, I think, eight bottle calves, and we just moved them into here in the last month or so. So they're all doing really well. You hungry, Natty? Never get fed. Oh, poor baby. All right, this lot is our pasture lot still. All those pregnant ones were in here at one point, but it got too full and we had to lock them inside with the cold weather, and for a while it was super sloppy out, so it was too much bedding. So now we have a lot of the pregnant cows. There's a couple that are still nursing calves, little hodgepodge. The calves can get out over the rail, so we just keep this pen locked up and then they kind of have free range. I suppose we could introduce you to our new dog, Bailey. She's kind of crazy, but she actually hasn't been to the barn all that much since we got her, just because it's super cold out, and so yeah, we gotta slowly get her used to all the cows and the chickens and the kitties. She likes to chase the kitties, but I'm confident in time that she'll figure it out. She'll be a good farm dog. Right, Bailey? You having a stare off? Okay. This is our little makeshift kidding pen for Cutie. I don't really know when she's gonna have babies, but her udder is quite full. And we just wanted to try and keep her in a clean, dry environment. So she's been hanging out in here. Oh, they're all outside. Piggy, piggy, piggies!
They took off running when I came in.
Oh. Today you meet the pigs. Oh. Ooh. How are the new waters working?
Good.
Besides
Besides
this. Oh my gosh. Where'd they go, Bailey?
dig it out. They do that on their own.
Hello. How are you today? Oh no, that's crazy. Bailey, be nice. Where'd your friends go? So we have quite a few pigs right now. We have 3 that are headed to the locker plant in like a week and a half. Then we got our 2 sows. We have Uno, our boar, and I think we're keeping back a couple gilts from our last group. And then, yeah, we have 14 piglets from when our 2 sows had their piglets this past summer/fall. So, fall, I guess they were both in the fall. Yeah, we thought about selling some as feeders, and then, I don't know, it kind of got cold, so we were like, who really wants to buy feeders in the winter? So we'll raise them out. Pigs seem to be in high demand, so that's nice. Oh, be nice. Be nice. No, you bark, you scare them, Bailey. That's enough for one day. I think I need to put our trading collar on. Come down here, maybe. Oh, we found one for Garfield. I won't let her get you. You're the goodest kitty. It's a nice hair dryer you got there. Where'd you get it?
I found it. The cows needed their hair done. 1 frozen water is all. And that's just because we don't have enough cows drinking out of that one. And it was negative 15 plus the wind chill. Bailey, you don't need the kitty food.
Oh, sorry, I was filming, I wasn't paying attention.
You mean like when she almost ripped your arm off there?
Yeah, that hurt a little.
Stay.
Is that your dog?
Better than running her over.
So you know how I said it was like beautiful out earlier? Yeah, it was a trap. It's freaking windy, it's cold. We actually spent a lot of the day inside because 2 out of 3 kids aren't feeling well, and it's super windy. We didn't want to do a whole lot outside. So we're headed back out though. The kids are still all napping, thankfully, so hopefully they feel better later. And we are going to bed one of the barns, and then we have a cow to breed. But before that, can you see my smoke? I'm gonna get dinner on the smoker. Tonight we got some pork chops, homegrown pork chops, can't beat those. Seasoned with Livia's, because that's That's all I do with my life is season everything with Livia's because it's awesome. Anyway, so get these on the grill and then go do that quick and then come home or come home, come back and have a warm meal. And your friends. Joey pushed the rest of the cows back so that he didn't have to worry about them escaping, but we got a straggler. We'll hang out. We'll be friends. Okay? Okay, while Joey scrapes out that barn, I'm gonna even out our 2 finishing pens. We have 2 in one pen and like 6 in the other, mainly because we just moved some new ones in here, so we didn't want them to fight. But now that they've been acquainted with each other, we can even out the pens a little bit more. Then I'll throw some more bedding in. I was just playing with the wean calves because they love me. Okay, not really, but they did a second ago, I promise. Didn't you? Yeah. Are we BFFs? Oh, yes, you're so cute. So oddly enough, we literally only named one of them. I never got around to taking the rest of them. So if you have some fun names for these boys, I'll take options. I need 6 names. One of them's a heifer. She already has tags. And then we got Ernie here. So 6 boy names. Let us know in the comments what we should name them. Just like, oh my gosh. Just like that, I got them bedded. Excuse me. Just like that, I got them sorted, moved. There was one that I wanted the linebacker to go over to that side, and he didn't want to cooperate and participate. So there's that. We're going to bed him now, which is going to take me about 18 times as long as when Joey does it because he just bear hugs a whole bunch, but whatever. We'll get the job done. My fingers might freeze off, though. I'm not going to lie. They'll spread it around a little bit better, I think. That was a pretty good one, though. That was 2 slabs. I thought they'd be more excited for the bedding, but they have a new bale of hay, so. Alright, bedding's done. Joey's putting the skid loader away and grabbing the 4-wheeler. I'm gonna shut the gates and get this little lady out so that we can breathe her. Right? Yes! And then I will get pregnant. Squirrel. I don't want any of you. Hey, mamacita. Come on, baby. Go before everyone realizes the gate's open. You can bring one friend if you want. We do like the buddy system around here. Okay, fine. We'll go by ourselves. Chug look, chug look. Good girl. Gotta be quicker than that. Good girl.
Dealer's choice.
Go ice cap since it's cold.
Let's check it.
Oh.
We'll check it anyways. I need to buy tweezers for this. My fingers are too fat. Why are you watching me? Important.
Because I'm 12 years old.
This camera crew, I guess.
You gonna fire me?
Make you sleep on the couch. Turn the heat back down to 65.
Huh.
Most important part for making babies. You counting how long that's been in there?
Probably at least a minute.
Your judgmental time is awful.
2 minutes?
No.
Been in there a while.
Oh, and the sweatshirt's too tight.
Don't you miss breeding cows every day, all day?
Some days, actually, yeah. It's quiet. It was you and the cows who drove around from farm to farm.
Cows are better than people.
You don't have to worry about their emotions so much. Oh, I'm gonna try to run you over. Just kidding. I'll let your gloves sit out.
Sticky.
I want a balloon. It's not a balloon.
To make sure the egg releases.
And because she's not on cycle, we're on cycle. Like if she was in heat the first time. So she either wasn't in heat, she potentially is cystic, but we haven't seen her in heat like randomly, so.
But when you bred her last time, you didn't think she felt great.
I don't remember.
Oh. I feel like she didn't. Back to the cold. What did you say?
You said back to the cold. Said back to the cold. No, the warmest place on the farm.
Up a cow's butt.
Go in there.
It's like the Blair Witch Project. You're lucky to have me. Did you hear me?
You said something?
I said, aren't you lucky to have me?
Absolutely.
Poked him with this.
That is not that full of food. She got tone at least.
Good. There was a black one in the other pen that was actually in heat as well. But not one that we've bred yet.
That little one?
Yeah. D? Is that her name? I don't remember.
No, D's the one I said needs to go to the fat lot because she's not bred.
Oh,
She's asleep.
I don't think you can say that on YouTube. We'll beep it out. I don't know how to beep out, but I'll figure it out. Pirate!
Very large size.
She's a big girl. The concentration. Pregnant! My hands are too cold. I'm not made for this weather. Oh, wanna fight? No. No, I said no. He was escorting her. He was escorting her. Oh, he stinks. Get a little cardio in. All right, Joey's gonna finish up chores. I'm gonna go check in the pork chops. They weren't that thick, so they might be done already. And then finish making dinner. I don't know, find something good to watch on TV. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. It was kind of a random day, but I figured we hadn't taken you along on chores in a while. Oh my gosh! My fingers are so cold in this wind. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't, we'd love if you would subscribe, tell your friends, all the things, because it'd be really cool if we could get monetized someday. Shameless plug. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.